Hey guys, welcome to All Star Blenders. Here we bring to you our next recipe, apple cinnamon pie sandwich. And for that we'll be needing First we start with sieving the flour into a mixing bowl, then add the baking powder, the baking soda. We mix them well. Now for the eggs, beat 3 egg whites, add the castor sugar, the butter, the egg yolk, the vanilla essence and beat it well. Now add the flour to our mixture. Mix well. We add some condensed milk. I am using Amul, you can use any other condensed milk of your choice. We have a consistency like this. We add some more flour. Now let's deal with this dough. We cut the dough into 2 parts. We keep half aside. We mix it well. We add half tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Now cover the dough with butter paper and flatten it. We grease the container with butter. Now for the ground floor, we add the dough sheet to the container and keep it aside. And for the caramel, we add some castor sugar, caramelize it and slice 1 apple over it. Now back to the container, cover the dough sheet with the caramel, slice the remaining apple and add 1 teaspoon more of cinnamon powder. And now whip some heavy cream. Mix it well. Add some dark chocolate. It looks yummy. Now sprinkle some sugar on our sandwich. Some cinnamon sticks. And cover it completely with the whipped cream. And cover it with 1 more layer of the dough. Oops, I broke it. And don't forget to do this. I sprinkle some more cinnamon powder. Now after baking at 250 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, we get this. Now dress the sandwich with some whipped cream.